I will be the first one, then I will going to jump inside the ocean. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I am here right now, San Fabian Beach, Pangasinan. So this is a very nice view, and as you can see that it's very nice smooth beach. And this is the first time over here I am here, and you can see behind there are full boundary line, also plenty of mountains over there. This is the place called Baguio, and it's a very wonderful, nice place over here. So these cottages are for rent, right?
Yeah, it's like sometimes it is what you call that? If it's like a festival or something, this cottage costs like you 1.8 or 1.9.
Okay.
For a cottage, but at this time,
cottage.
Yeah, at this time they gave you only like 300.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, for 100 only.
For how many hours?
No, for until evening.
Until evening.
Yeah.
So if you are coming in the morning, they will give you in this price?
Yeah, 300-400 only.
Ah, I see.
Maximum is like 600.
What they are saying, Barangay ordinary number section, no parking, no eating, no drinking, for sure to be work. Okay.
Okay, just spread it in hogi. Let's go and have a Sprite. Sprite. हम कॉटेज लेते हैं वहाँ पे आगे जाते कॉटेज कच्चा होता है बुद्धि का
अच्छा. So these are all the line of cottages. Okay, so they are available on rental basis. So as one of my friends, he said that now in these days you can get it 300. So it's a good actually. If you are coming with a family and with kids, so it's good for them. So you can rent this one. If you are coming on the morning time, so you can stay up to evening in 300. So it's a reasonable price. And but in the peak time, so it will shoot up to 1718. So overall, today is the first Feb and 2021. So it's nice clear weather and nice windy and a bit little bit, you know, the wavy. But it's okay, satisfactory. You can do swimming, as you can see that the people, but you have to be extra careful if you have the kids and the children. So but overall I like the view over here. So it's nice and
Bro,
a bit bluish water.
You want to ride on that?
Yes, I did it in 100 Island.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But you know the 100 Island and then maybe some kilometers in Bali now.
Ah, okay. I see.
It's near.
All right.
100 Island, then you may be like 14 or 15 kilometers.
Mm-hmm.
Then it's going to be Bali now.
I see.
Bali now. Okay, here I explain you. In the daytime, the water is same as it's like this, but there are stones, big stones, like
I
rocks.
see. Like a rocky beach.
Yeah. So at the daytime maybe from here to Sprite, go playing apple.
Walang. Okay, it's fine, but it's cold. Chilling cold.
Open nyo lang. Buksan nyo na lang.
Yeah, dalawa.
Sige.
It's okay.
So, like here, okay, when you go there, it's a bit rocky, so the water is here. But in the time of evening, like after 3 or 4, when you go in the middle of the beach, the water is still like this. You get low tide.
So it will go back to the ocean.
Yeah, it's good for the morning time.
I see.
But at the evening, no, you cannot enjoy. You have to go like in the middle, a lot far.
I see.
So like you have to go to like 300 meters inside. So that's for 300 meters. Here 300 meters is like most of a few more.
Yeah, it's nice. So it's a bit relaxing. So after a long time, I had to find the nice, outstanding and relaxing place over here in beach in finally in Philippines in Pangasinan. So before we have a couple of earlier. Actually, I tried to came over here in San Fabian like a couple of months ago, but we was not able to enter because of I don't know what is the reason they have closed that time. So but today we was lucky, and as you can see that today is not weekend, today is the Monday, and there are plenty of people over here and they are enjoying. And I wish if I was prepared for the swimming, so I love to, but unfortunately I'm not we were not having plan for this one, the beach, but just we were passing by. So we said let us just explore a bit. So that's why I'm here right now, but if I how I wish I have it. I want to jump inside to the ocean for swimming definitely. Yeah, how I wish I should have this swimming gadget or gear something. So I should have. I will be the first one. Then I will going to jump inside the ocean.
But you know what?
Yeah.
Like this here. Even you go inside, okay, you cannot see anything. It's not a clear water.
Yes, of course, yeah.
Yeah, it seems like as.
Is your pet dog?
It seems like as what you call it, like. Where you come from? Where you came from this morning? Lingayen.
Lingayen, yeah.
As in same Lingayen.
Yeah.
But if you go to Buli now, you can record everything.
The crystal
inside
clear
the
water.
Yeah, crystal
So probably maybe the next time we will definitely will go there.
The sand, the white sand is not going there. Here the sand goes slow by slow. There
it's stiff, yani suddenly it's deep. No, but I love it, you know, like steady. Yeah, steady one. So mostly, you know, in Dubai, if you will go all over UAE, like Fujairah, Korfakhan, Diba, and this Dubai particularly. So I love to go like steady. You are going downwards to the ocean. So it's give you not suddenly, because no, it's not good, and especially for the children, kids, if you have it.
The difference, the water difference. You can see the line.
Yes, because it's like a smooth.
Yeah. On that place, you can see that it's going more down.
Yes, more down. Yeah.
Because the line, you can see the
Yes,
line.
correct.
Because I think maybe 20 or 30 times already went here for swimming.
Ah, I see.
In a long time, until now, I've been still here.
Here they have certain kind of bakalas, so you can get your certain kind of drinks, whatever you like it. So it's available, and it's next to the right in front of the beach. So because of COVID, you have to follow this kind of instructions definitely. So over here and this one, and they have private rooms over here. But I can find one cat is relaxing in this private cell. She is the most luckiest cat, I believe. Yes.
But this dog already have viral.
Yeah, this is a beach, you know, maybe like K9.
No.
Yeah.
No.
K9, I believe. Yes.
Not.
All right. No problem. This is my drink. Which one is yours?
This one is yours. You can
Sure.
accept that. Yeah.
100%.
Look at this.
Okay. Yes, my friend. What is this?
Oyster, sir.
Oh, no, my friend. I am not fond of oyster. If there was fish, I love to. Yes, I am not fond of this oyster. Sorry. What do you call this fish name?
Spada.
Spada. How is this one? Is tasty? There are fins inside.
That's it now one. Masjid Bawala.
How much? How much this one?
Ada basit. Ada?
Ano yung set, sir?
Sit.
May ito na may sabi. Ay, oh, balik lang.
Balik. Yeah.
How much this one?
Magkano daw?
Ano daw?
200 na daw.
Mahal.
150 yan.
Saan kasot? Talasot.
Lagyan niyang print.
Talasot. Talasot.
I don't know what they are taking. Just I know they are negotiating.
Ano? Talasot. Awa na talasot.
Salito malaba yan.
Dalaman ka mo pang kalatot. Ilocano ang tempo kung Tagalog.
Ibili na lang ng bigas.
Ayun, dapat saan kasot. Tama na yun, 100. Kung gusto mo okay, kung hindi, okay lang.
100.
Magkano ito?
But my friend, just tell him to put it double case, so it will not be liquid in the car.
Aluminum niya, double and plastic mo yan.
Yeah, make it, then it will not. So they have also right now here shrimps,
lang yan, fresh.
fresh.
Maming maliit eh.
And how much this one?
Sabi lang. Bagong huli lang ito.
Tayo porta ka ako, tabi portaan.
How much? How much this one?
Ito ba naman Tagalog mo? Ilocano lang. Ha?
Kirisute.
Sanse.
Awan na na, kirisute ang porta ka.
450 mo. Awan na ni
Awan.
350 po na lang.
It's because it's not much, you know. It's very small. It's mixed. It's fine fresh. Because only it's mixed up. It's not uniform sizes, you know.
Fresh.
Ba't ako dito?
Yeah.
Kirisute lang, isa lang sa porta ka.
So, even he's my brother. He's given you 350. I supposed to give you 300. Nah, 300. Because this one, you know, very small pieces also there.
Awan na, kirisute lang. Get you.
Hindi alam na.
Kaya tanong na, kata nyo.
Ada sila dati mo. Uriyaw.
Tanong.
Saluto mo.
Daron pa kami, daron na. Ito bigyan.
Marunong yan.
Yeah, yes.
Ilocano ko.
Pag ito lang lang nito.
Sige, manager.
And how about the squids?
Speed, 201 kilo.
201 kilo.
Calamares.
100 okay?
No.
Mana kilo suman?
Can you please check this one? But remove the water, please. Thank you. Okay. But you know, it's mixed up. There are so many small pieces over there. Yeah.
201 kilo. Fresh.
No, you have to reduce.
Sayang.
100 में ले लो.
Huh? 100 रुपए में पकड़ लो. But you have to tell me. I have to give it to you. This one.
400 all.
How much?
400 all.
No.
400 also.
It's around 2.5 kilo.
2.5 kilo.
Yes.
500.
चल.
No, 100.
पैसा यहाँ पे. फसल भाई मेरा खत्म हो गया. ये लास्ट है.
How much you have?
350.
300. खलास it's okay.
400 sir.
ये
500.
350 जो है ना ये इसका श्रिम्प का.
हाँ, still उसके लिए.
नहीं है. खत्म हो गया मेरा.
खलास this is okay because still it's over.
कितना का लेना बताओ मुझे अपना अपनी लैंग्वेज में बोलो. कितना का लेना लास्ट?
मेरा ख्याल है खलास not more than अपना 300 से ऊपर की जरूरत नहीं है.
अब ये वाला
हाँ.
लोगे आप अपने लेना है. मैं तो नहीं लेना.
खलास leave it this one. No need. खलास. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you.
200.
202 kilos, 2.5 kilos. Manager.
It's okay, thank you. No, see, just tell them we were not having any plan to buy this kind of seafood. Just our courtesy towards you to help you. That's why we are buying. We are here just a tourist only, you know. Just our purpose is to come over here, do our some vlog. Yeah, so I'm just buying it just to help you only.
One manager. Nalogi dyan may 1 kilo. Yan, calamares.
It's okay, ma'am. Thank you. Next time maybe. We will come, yes, sir. Thank you much. Thank you. Here is on the head.
It's not getting captured. No, it's not getting captured. Ah, okay. Here it is.
It is there. There we are. Okay. You want a selfie? But we will go on the other direction.
Alright.
So Alhamdulillah, so far we are able to recover our Mavic Pro at least back into the real life. So since after a bit like 8 to 10 days having rest, I believe it was on 22nd that I had my show, the last video in regard with the Mavic Pro, and today I have vlogged for the beach itself, and I am using this drone right now, you know, in front of you. That I had performed yesterday well. Actually, I had flew this drone like 19 minutes so far without any problem. And please don't forget to share this video with your friends. So this was today was a wonderful day, and don't forget again to please to like and subscribe my channel. So because my channels I have plenty of different kind of stuff. As once you will join, as you can notice from the daily lifestyle. So please stay safe and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.